And no, you're not seeing double. I have two seats for my Honda 300L. The factory seat, unfortunately, it may not seem like a lot, but it has this very, very small hole in the seat, and this will eventually get a whole lot bigger in time. So I went ahead and got another factory seat to have, and that means I can play with the original seat and recover it. I'm going to take some of the foam off and maybe get a solid, probably go down 1.5 inches because I want to put a little bit of foam for a little bit more padding up here, and see what I can do with this one. And like I said before, a little hole like that, you would be surprised in a couple of years the whole seat will have to be recovered. So I said I might as well just get another seat, and if for some reason I do ever sell it, I'll have a factory seat with a factory seat height to go back on it. So that's the next project. And the good thing about having an extra seat is I can put this new seat back on it while I can take my time on this seat, so I'm not without a bike. And right here I have black and red material. It's actually foam backed. It's marine grade stuff. The squares are a little bit larger than I was anticipating, but we'll see which color is best, if I should go all black or if I should go all red. But I've got this much material, so I'll be enough stuff to cover for a long time. However, this material is a little different. It is the non-stretching type, so this is going to be a little difficult if you have a seat with a lot of curves. You always want to get material that will stretch a little bit if you're going to do seats, but there's not a whole lot of curves, crazy curves on this motorcycle seat, so I think this will work just fine. We'll just have to see what these big blocks look like after I cut some and kind of compare to see how it looks.